Hi there, I'm Jared Dillingham in Rocky Point, or Puerto Peñasco, Mexico. This is about an hour south of the Arizona-Mexico border, and a lot of Americans are nervous about driving across the border, so I wanted to show you today what it's really like. South of Ajo, Arizona, you'll drive through Organ Pipe National Monument, a very pretty rural stretch of the Sonoran Desert, before crossing into the state of Sonora, Mexico. Ahead here, you'll see the border crossing at Lukeville, Arizona. There's a gas station to pull off into if you need fuel or last-minute supplies. Otherwise, we'll follow the signs right into Mexico. You can check border checkpoint wait times online. The day we drove through, it said 5 minutes, and they were right. Just go slowly, mind the speed limit of 5 miles an hour, and you'll be fine. I'm going to speed up the video just so you can see the whole process. This is the actual international border. That's the border fence. Sometimes that right lane is open as well for cars with nothing to declare. Semis hauling cargo are in a different spot to be inspected, but many passenger cars sail right through. I got the green light, meaning I don't even have to show identification on this trip or pull off into one of the spots off to the side for a quick check. Now, this is important. Don't speed up as soon as you're through. This is where American drivers often get pulled over by Mexican police. Also, make sure to have some cash to donate to the people holding buckets in the road. A lot of people will say Mexican police target Americans who go by them without donating. As you go through Sonoyta, go slowly. Mind the speed limit, which is now in kilometers per hour, not miles. Once you're out of town, you can speed up as you head the hour down the highway to Rocky Point. On the way back north from Mexico to Arizona, it's important to remember the Sonoyta-Lukeville crossing closes at 8 p.m. Remember again to crawl through Sonoyta so you don't get pulled over. You could see the people getting pulled over for additional searches there. You'll pull up to the U.S. border inspection station slowly, minding the series of speed bumps and stop signs. The border agent might ask a few questions like what you're bringing back and how long you were in Mexico, but there's really no hassle. From there, you'll be directed down one of two lanes. Usually the trucks will be sent through that scanner off to the left. I'm in a car, so we'll just get waved over to the right to enter Arizona. The crossing took between 5 and 10 minutes, and we are on our way back home.
Continue for 129 kilometers.